Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer and I asked on my Instagram, by the way, if you don't follow me, make sure you follow me right there. My info should be right here somewhere. But I asked on my Instagram the other day if you guys would like to see a tour of my bedroom, and since most of you guys answered yes to that question, here I am filming this video for you guys. So hopefully you enjoy it and you like my interior decor skills. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay guys, so here is the first thing you see, and I apologize in advance if you see any of my hair on the floor because I shed more than my dogs. But we're going to start right here, and this is my favorite part of my room. Best believe because of that mirror. I got this mirror from Amazon. It's actually supposed to be a bedroom mirror, but since I'm bougie and I decided to get creative, I guess, I bought it for my room, and I'm very happy that I did because I love it. I get a lot of space to take selfies, and it's a great vanity mirror, and I get a lot of good light here, so I love it. A lot of people have asked me the link for this mirror, friends, family, any guests that I've had stay in my room, and they've all loved it, so I will have the link down below in the description box. Now, we come here to my money tree, and this little guy, I need to name him. Let's name him George. Yes, Georgie. So I bought him from Home Depot, and he's a vicious little guy, doing very well compared to my other one. But moving on from Georgie, we come to Le Jardin de Fragonard, which is a Laurier rose scent, a flower from France. I'm sure it's elsewhere in the world, but this is my favorite scent for my room. Ever since I went to the southern part of France a few years back, I fell in love with this scent, and I cannot get enough of it. I buy it off of Amazon, eBay, wherever I can find it, because it's hard to find and it takes forever to get here because they ship it directly from France. They don't really sell it here, and it's around 60 bucks, but it's a good investment. I bought it like maybe a week ago and it's already down to theirs. Here I just have two earrings that I took off that are actually hard to put on by myself. My mom got them for me from Mexico, and that's why they're there waiting to be put back on my ears. Moving on to my Eiffel Tower. So I love this piece. I actually got one from Paris when I went to the Louvre Museum, but it was in pink because I was in another state of mind at that time. Don't ask. But I got this one from Home Goods actually, and it wasn't that expensive. It was 25 bucks, and I loved it because when I decided that I wanted my room all white, this kind of fit perfectly. And I love Paris. I love France in general, so I definitely wanted to have that theme going on in my room. And kind of underneath that, I have my Amazon Echo Dot hiding, so she's not in the way of anybody or too noticeable. So that is literally my favorite part of my room right here. And talking about furniture, I got these when I was probably early teenage years, and I honestly love them. I've loved them so much, but I just feel like they're very bulky, and for some reason I'm not really liking this design right here. Plus I feel like my room is like more modern, and I definitely want to change them. So if you have any suggestions of where I can find not only this but my nightstands and my armoire, please let me know in the comments below because I definitely want to change them. Moving on is my hamper, and I just have it right here next to my closet. We're definitely not gonna look in there, but I got this from Marshall's and I still have the tags. I keep the tags on for everything just in case I ever return them. But moving on to, oh my god, that, I literally hate that. I need to change that, but I need to turn off the power and I always forget to do it. But this is driving me crazy. Plus it's broken and I haven't changed it, but I need to do that because I have family coming over in 2 weeks. So anyways, Moving on to my nightstand. Very simple, very minimal, nothing crazy. I have a J to the right for my name Jennifer, of course. A Chanel book that I bought from Home Goods. I believe it was a good 30 bucks, I would say. And a lot of my friends like it because it's just basically all of her story and some of her designs. I hope you don't think that I actually read this. I do read a lot, but I definitely have not even opened this book with any intentions to read it. But moving on from that, this Big Ben from London, I got obviously from London, and I love it because it said the time at one point and it was pretty accurate, but the battery ran out, so it's not helping me much anymore. Moving on to my beautifully green succulent plant. And I got this from Target yesterday actually because I was going to film this video, and it was $14.99 as you could see there. So Target, beautiful plant. These coasters are marble with a silver lining on the sides, all sides. And these were or are from Marshalls, and I got them for, I think they were $15 for a pack of 4. So I got 4 of these for 15 bucks, which is, I don't think it's bad for marble. So I have that just to make sure when people come and they drink, or if I'm the one sleeping on this side, I have coasters for my water or tea or matcha lattes that I drink. Moving on from that is my bed, of course. And aside from my mirror, this is my favorite thing because I feel like I've put in so much effort and work for it to be comfortable, and I love it. Everybody that sleeps in my bed knows that it's so comfortable, and they tell me like, I never want to get up from your bed, and that could be a good and bad thing, I know, but I just love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I got those 3 Euro shams from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I just have the pillowcase protectors on top, on them. So I don't have any really Euro sham covers for those. And the pillow protector cases, I got them from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. And these 3 pillows from the gray and the white one that says Wander, I got the middle one from Marshalls, and I got these 2 gray ones from Bed Bath & Beyond, both the pillows and the covers. So I got, and I actually really like them. Whenever I take a nap in my bed, I usually take it with these pillows because they are just so soft and comfortable to sleep on and lay on. So I definitely always use them when I nap on my bed. And moving on to the duvets, I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. I don't know if you could see that hair right there somewhere, but yeah, that's my hair. Anyways, I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's really nice. It's just very hard for me to keep it fully white because I obviously have 2 kids, which are my dogs, that go on my bed all the time, and they just do what they do, you know? So this is a coverlet set with obviously the 2 king size pillowcases, and that is from Macys. And all of my sheets are also white, as you can see here. So that is from Macys, and I also have a set from Bed Bath & Beyond because they were really good and I wanted to have 2 sets. I actually have 3 sets, but one is for specifically for Airbnb. So whenever I have Airbnb guests over here, I use that one set specifically, and then the other 2 sets are just for myself. And my Paris canvas, which is another thing of my favorites because I don't know, I just love the mood of this picture. And I have like this thing where all of the pictures that I have in my room, my face doesn't show. So it just gives me like some mysterious slash, I don't know, I just feel like it creates the mood a little bit more for the picture. And the fact that I'm looking at the Eiffel Tower and I'm like so little and that is so big, it just, I don't know, it just makes me feel good. Anyways, after that, I have my other nightstand, and this is my water bottle that I keep bedside. This is my other money tree that I don't know if I'm taking care of correctly because, I don't know, I feel like it's dying, but there's also new leaves coming in, so I don't know if it's dying. So moving on to this part of my world, or my room. This is my vision board, kind of. Used to be my vision board at least. And I have my calendar here where I mark all upcoming events and things like that. I have this quote from David Ramsey, "Live like no one else so later you can live like no one else." And that has stuck with me, so I always have it there. This is just Wi-Fi password that doesn't even work anymore, and a contact information that I need. And moving down here to my plant. It is a fake plant. I bought it from Target or Target, and the plant itself was $40. It came in this little pot that you could see in here, but I didn't like it and I didn't want it to be that low on the floor. So I bought this bigger planter where I put it in. And I kind of like how it looks on the big planter, so I think I'm going to keep it like that. And the planter itself was also from Target, and the planter was $70. So I don't know how I feel about the planter. I like it, but I don't know. Comment down below if you like this creation of mine or if I should change that completely and just give it back. Moving on to my trash can. My trash can is from Simple Human, and I'm not going to open it because it's full of trash, and especially my hair. So Simple Human, little trash can, super cute, white of course, because you already know the deal with me. And this is my armoire. I should have really closed the door, but whatever. Again, I'm also looking for one of these, so I just haven't found one that I like and think it fits, or I haven't found a set that goes together. And on top of here, I just have my books. These are not the only books that I have, by the way. I'm an avid reader, so I have a lot of books downstairs. These are just the ones that I keep here if I'm reading them now or whenever I rent the room out, so people have something to read if they're bored, because of course, as you see, there is no TV in my room because obviously this is much better than TV and educational. So I really suggest The Power or The Art of Seduction. That is a really good one. The 80-20 principle, super good. The Mastery of Love is amazing. I really love that one. But anyways, I have so many other books downstairs, so please feel free to take any of these. I usually get them off Amazon or I buy them at Barnes & Nobles. So that is all with my books. Moving on to my beautiful hydrangeas. I actually got these from Michaels. I went to get them from Michaels and these. So they actually were really long. As you know, hydrangeas have long stems, or flowers in general, actually. What am I talking about? So I had to literally cut the stems. I don't know if you can see here properly. Cut the stems, and I actually didn't cut them short enough, so I had to fold them so they actually fit in the little vase that I got. And the vase is actually from Marshall's too, so this is like a DIY project that I had, and I really like them because obviously they look really nice, they look very fresh, and I don't have to be spending like $20 every week to get hydrangeas. So very smart economic decision. Alright guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and close out this video right here. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button to make sure you're in the loop for when I post my next video. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up for all my hard work in this room. And comment down below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions for my room. And most importantly, if you have a store in New York or a website where I can get white furniture pieces that you think would look good in my room, please comment down below and let me know. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will go ahead and have my tea now. Bye.